So I made a video this morning about emergency travel certificate and always keeping a valid passport. And then by the time I was done, I haven't even posted the videos yet. It's a video for YouTube. Somebody called me to say their mother is sick in Florida and they need to travel from, it's a northern state, it's a very northern state, to Florida, which is in the south, and it's like 20 something hours worth of driving, which I know, and they can't drive because it's too long. Also, they can't fly because the passport expired. I always talk about getting your passport renewed in time in case you have an emergency in Jamaica. But even if you have family in the US, so your kids are in a different state than you are because you work in another state, you have to have the passport valid for this. Anything can happen. Somebody doesn't even have to pass. You just have to have a valid passport for any eventuality. Anyway, I'm keeping my fingers crossed for her that everything will be okay. All right, I'm Gail. Thanks for watching.